Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LendingTree for personal finance, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.lendingtree.com and press enter. Once the home page loads, look for the login option located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your LendingTree account in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you have filled in your email and password, double-check for accuracy. After confirming that your details are correct, click on the Login button. Wait a moment while the site processes your request. Upon successful login, you will be directed to your LendingTree dashboard. From here, you can manage your personal finance options and explore various services available to you. If you encounter any issues during the login process, check your internet connection. You can also clear your browser cache or try a different browser if the problem persists. Once logged in, take some time to familiarize yourself with the layout and features of your dashboard. This will help you navigate the options more efficiently as you manage your personal finances with LendingTree. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.